7C. Okay. Ready with your books?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ready with the books and notebook.
Very nice.
Ma'am, and the exercise book also.
Oh, you've got the exercise book also. Let me bring mine also. All of you got your exercise book, the workbook of French?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, why no? You didn't get it in the book set.
Ma'am, I'm not even buying the book set.
So you've got no book.
Ma'am, it's too sad.
Very nice, Satvik. Good going, beta. Very good. So are you planning to buy it this year or not? Are you planning to buy the book set, Satvik?
Ma'am, he left.
Yes, he left. Okay. One of you do one thing, beta. Please make a PDF of children. Rest of you, do you have your workbook or you don't have it? Aviral, Bhargava, Prakarsh, Arav, Arisha, no, Arshia, and Darsh. All of you, beta, please open your cameras first of all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, open your cameras. Hurry up. Let me see your faces at least. That is how I'm going to remember you. I will not remember the names. Punita Chawla. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many of you have your workbooks of French? 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. All right, Kavya Kapoor, better do one thing. Make a PDF of the chapter that we are doing. Les
Ma'am,
Amis.
chapter number 1 of Aprenum de Francais.
No, this is
Ma'am,
class.
exercise book.
We are on chapter number 6. Have we had any
Yes,
class
ma'am.
before this class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we are on chapter Leçon 6, Les Amis de Caroline. N'est-ce pas? Isn't it? N'est-ce pas?
Yes, ma'am.
Oui.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When you want to say yes, ma'am, that's it. So say oui, c'est ça. What do we say?
Oui. Oui, c'est ça.
Oui, c'est ça. If I'll ask you n'est-ce pas, you will say oui, c'est ça. So we already have had 2-3 classes before this one, right?
Oui.
Oui. Okay.
Oui.
Now, have we completed the chapter Les Amis de Caroline?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, we haven't started yet. Ma'am, we haven't started yet.
Don't give me a heart attack.
Ma'am, we have started the
beta.
chapter. Ma'am, we have started the chapter. Ma'am, it's true. Ma'am, we haven't started. Ma'am, we have started the chapter and you have made us write.
See, Prakash. Only he is saving me from heart attack. Rest
Ma'am,
of
we haven't.
die.
Ma'am,
We haven't.
Prakash, what all have we
Ma'am,
done?
in our last class, we started the basics of French. Ma'am, to revise French. Ma'am, to didn't start the 6th chapter.
Yes, ma'am. We have done basic. And ma'am, for new students to learn. Ma'am, we have started the definite articles.
Okay. We started with the definite articles. So all of you, yes.
Ma'am, when I gone to the bookstore, I asked the shopkeeper to give the French book, but he gave me the Sanskrit book. When I came home, I saw that. Is it available now?
Beta, I think it would be available now. I think it should be. I'm not too sure. Please call up at the bookstore and just inquire about the same. And then go. Don't go like that.
I also didn't get the French book.
No problem. Till the time you don't have your French books, a PDF is going to be shared with all of you. Now, who that student will be? Who is good at making a PDF? Punita Chawla. Okay, when you make a PDF, beta, you know how to rename the PDF?
Yes, ma'am. I know
Okay,
it.
so put the name of the chapter. Okay, take 5 minutes,
Okay, ma'am.
no problem. put the name of the chapter, Leçon 6, Les Amis de Caroline, like that. And then share it on the class group.
Ma'am, exercise book also.
No, right now just share the
Exercise.
chapter because exercise book
Okay.
will come on to that later. First we'll finish the chapter. Neha Gangwar, Pranit, Sarthak, Ridhima, Sudiksha, Darsh. Open your cameras. Okay, what does the chapter say? Les Amis de Caroline. Now, what is Les Amis? Les Amis is the friends. In this chapter, we are going to study about the friends. Of whom? Of Caroline.
Caroline.
DE stands for of.
And from where we get the PDF of book?
Punita is sending beta. You will get it on the class group. Till then, I am just telling you the title of the chapter. Okay? Have you got the PDF?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Children, are you able to see the board?
Ma'am, your camera is off. Ma'am, now we can.
All of you can see the board? Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Yes.
send the PDF.
What?
Ma'am, I've sent the PDF in the group.
Okay. Now, children,
Yes, ma'am,
please check the PDF.
Yes, ma'am, it is received.
Now, let's begin. It's Les Amis. What is AMIS? AMIS
friend.
is friends.
Friend.
Because we have friends in the plural form, that is why we have placed the definite article also in its plural form. Fine? Suppose we write Le Ami. Do you think it is going to be correct? You will get a big
No, ma'am.
wrong on this. If
No,
your
ma'am.
noun is in
Wrong.
plural, then your article should also be in its plural form. Les Amis. Now, whose army are we talking about? Whose army?
Ma'am, Caroline.
Caroline.
Of Caroline. What is
Caroline.
Caroline? What is Caroline? Caroline
name.
is a name. It is a naming word.
Ma'am, Caroline is a name.
And it's a special name. So that is why it is what? A proper noun. Now,
Yes,
before proper nouns, we use prepositions, right? We always use prepositions in English also. On, in, off, like this. Whatever. So here, before proper nouns, if we have to put off or from, to use off or from, we use a word. The word is the. DE. The word is the. Now, depending on the sentence, we extract the meaning. We extract whether it means from or it means of, depending on the sentence. Okay. So here,
Okay, ma'am.
the friends dash Caroline. What will the mean?
Ma'am, off.
Of.
Ma'am, the friends of Caroline.
Yes, the friends of Caroline. Then, now let's study about the friends of Caroline. This chapter will tell us that Caroline's friends come from different parts of the world. They are from different countries. So, being from different countries, we have different nationalities, right? If I'm from India, my nationality would be Indian. If you are from
Yes.
China, your nationality would be
Ma'am, Chinese.
Chinese. So there is a difference.
Chinese.
There is a difference between country and nationality also. Now, before we move ahead, let me tell you country. What is a country called in French? A country in French is called le pays. Le pays. We call it le pays. And what is nationality called? Nationality is called la
Ma'am,
nation.
the board is not visible. Ma'am, write it down.
Now it's visible.
No, ma'am, now it's okay. Yes, ma'am.
La nacionalite. La nationalité. Le pays stands for
Ma'am, country.
Ma'am, country.
and la nationalité stands for
Ma'am,
Nationality.
the nationality. So there is a difference between country names and nationalities. We are going to learn the names of different countries, how they are called in French. Every country has a different name. Okay? According to French, what we have learned in English, now we are going to learn what these countries are called in French. So, who will read out the first dialogue? Okay, Kaveh, start. Start.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, écoutez et regardez. Ma'am, Caroline. Ma'am,
Arey,
salute.
beta, wait.
Ma'am,
How you begin reading a chapter? From the beginning, how you read?
Ma'am, leçon 6, les amis de Caroline. It means the friends of Caroline. Écoutez et or regardez. Listen and see. Caroline. Salut.
Okay, very nice, काव्य बेटा. वो तो ऊपर जो 3 डायलॉग्स हैं वो भी रीड कर ही लेते हैं ना, कुछ सीख
Okay,
लेंगे.
Okay, ma'am. La से समीरा LA पाकिस्तानी. Et voilà Sonia LA Italian. I see se Pedro LA Español.
Espanol. Okay, now here. Again, I would need this board.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Can you see the board? My network also, I feel today is too slow. Is it, children? Is my sound clear? Is my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here, when we read about the first dialogue, the first word. What is the first word? The first word is
Ma'am, la.
now. Do you find this la a little different from la? Otherwise, I have told you la
Yes, ma'am.
means
Ma'am,
the.
Ma'am,
But here in this la, we have
Ma'am, the
what do we
accent.
have?
ma'am, accent.
Accent.
Ma'am,
So
accent.
it does not mean the. It does not mean the here. It means There. There. Say
Okay, ma'am.
Samira. Now say stands for it is or this is. There. It is Samira. L.A. Pakistanis. Now what is L? L means
Ma'am, she.
she. A means
Ma'am, is.
is. And Pakistanis. What have they spoken
Pakistani.
about? They have
Pakistani.
told their nationality. No, not Pakistan. It's Pakistani. Why? Because they talk about the nationality.
Okay, ma'am.
La, say Samira. L.A. Pakistanis. Now, Kavya, read out the dialogue.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Samira one or ma'am listen and see one.
La, say Samira.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, say Samira. L.A. Pakistani.
Pakistanis.
Pakistan Naz.
Okay, L.A. Pakistanis. Then, coming
Okay,
on to
ma'am.
the next dialogue, Prakarsh. Read out the next dialogue, beta.
Yes, ma'am. It Violet Sonia. LAS Italian.
बेटा सोनिया से पहले पेड्रो वाला डायलॉग.
Okay, ma'am. I see says Pedro. Il es español.
Okay, isi. Now what does isi mean? Isi means here. Here. It is Pedro. Say again means it is or this is. La means there. Isi means here. Here. It is Pedro. Il es español. Now what does il stand for? Il stands for
Ma'am, he. Ma'am, he.
he is español. Now what is español?
Spanish.
Very nice. Now we
Ma'am, Spanish.
keep G silent here. G is
Okay,
silent.
ma'am.
So that is why we call español. Who is Pedro? Pedro is Spanish. Now, Prakarsh, beta, read out the dialogue.
Ma'am, again.
Yes, again.
Isi says Pedro. Il es español.
Il español. We don't call it S. We just call it A. Il keep it silent. Okay? Il español. Then,
Okay, ma'am.
who will read out the third dialogue? Pranit.
Et Viola Sonia. LA Italian.
Now see. Voila. Now what is voila? Voila means voila has got la.
Ma'am, we learned it in the 4th chapter, ma'am. Voila, Isabel.
Very nice. Voici and voila. So voila means there is. Voici, what does it mean?
And there is.
Write it down. Write down each and every meaning.
Ma'am, I'm
There
writing it in the book.
Yes, you can write it in the book, beta. There is Sonia.
Ma'am, we have to write in notebook or book.
You have write it in the book only.
Okay, ma'am.
L.A. Italian. What is the nationality of Sonia?
I'm Italian.
Italian.
I'm
So that
Italian.
means she comes from which country?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Italy.
Ma'am, Italy.
All
Ma'am,
right.
the land of pizza.
Yes, the land of pizza. Okay.
The land of pizza.
Then, after that, we come
Ma'am,
on to
pasta.
written.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, written.
Any doubt to anyone till here?
Ma'am, how we pronounce
No, ma'am.
ET?
How we pronounce?
ET.
A. ET is A and EST is also A.
Okay, ma'am.
Then écoute et regarde. Look into the PDF. Écoute means
Ma'am, listen.
listen. And regarde.
See.
So listen and see. Now what does Caroline say? Caroline says, Salut, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Okay, if I ask you children, comment
How
allez-vous?
are you?
What
How
is
are
your reply? Comment
are
allez-vous?
Ma'am, comment ça?
I'm fine.
Ma'am, comment ça?
What Pranit?
Ma'am, ça va.
Ça va.
I'm
Okay.
Sava.
Comment allez-vous? Ça va bien. Ça va.
Merci.
Ça va bien, merci. Or somebody in the class who is not in a good mood?
Très bien.
No, it's Sava mal. Okay, Sava mal. And if you want to say not bad, then you say pa mal. Pa mal. And if you are okay, okay. Let me see who remembers. Very nice. Comme si, comme ça. Okay, so Caroline asks, comment allez-vous? Samira, Pedro et Sonia ensemble. What is ensemble?
Together.
Together. Together they reply ensemble. So three of them together reply très bien. Très bien.
Ma'am, fine, good.
Very good. Very good. Très means very. And bien is good. Very good. So Caroline. Now Caroline says, j'ai une question. J'ai une question.
I have a question.
Very nice. I have a question. Samira says, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
What is it?
Ma'am, what is it?
Good.
What is it?
What is it? Children, am I going too fast? The newcomers? You want me to slow down a little? Or it's fine?
Ma'am, may you tell the meaning of first line? Ma'am, first one.
First line that is said by Caroline.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the first line says, salut. Salut means hi
Hello.
or hello. Comment allez-vous is how are you?
Okay, ma'am.
How are
Thank
you?
ma'am.
Then now there are three friends, three of them ensemble. The word ensemble means together. Together, what is their reply? Arshia, their reply is très bien. What is très bien? What is très bien? Très bien. What does it
Ma'am,
mean?
very good.
Very good. Very nice. Then Caroline asks, j'ai une question. J'ai une question. What is it? What does it mean?
I have a question.
I
I
have.
have a question.
Now listen. Look at the board because you were not there when we did this. So look at it. Children, have we done avoir verb in the previous class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
7 class students. Okay. Now, when I say je, J-E stands for I. If I want to say I have, now what is have? Have is a verb. According to French language, it is an irregular verb. Avoir is an irregular verb. That means our verb works differently with all the subject pronouns. We have 6 different subject pronouns. What are subject pronouns? The words that come in place of nouns are pronouns, but subject pronoun is the part of the sentence that is the subject, like I, you, he, we, she, they. They are what? Subject pronouns. So I stands for, now there is a particular pattern. There is a sequence in which the subject pronouns appear. The pattern is je, tu, il and el, then nu,
Ma'am, news, woos.
vu, and again il and l.
Ma'am, plural. Ma'am, plural she and plural he.
Okay.
Plural,
Now,
and plural.
je stands for I. Arshia, please write it down. Okay, as I say. Je stands
Yes,
for
ma'am.
I. Tu stands for you. It is
You.
used for singular and it is used informally. You can't say
Okay,
tu
ma'am.
to me. Okay? You can't ask me, ma'am, how you are with using tu. You will have to use vu. Why? Because we are in a formal relationship. I am elder to you. You will use tu with your classmates, with your friends. Then il stands for he and l stands for she.
She.
Nu stands for we. We all together. What will we say? We'll say nu. If we want to say we study French, so I'll say nous étudions français. Nous étudions français. Shall I move ahead?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
This part of the chapter was particularly being done for Arshia, the newcomer. I think she
Ma'am,
has left. She left.
Ma'am, she has joined. Ma'am, she has joined.
Arshia, beta, are you paying attention?
Yes, ma'am.
I thought you are diverted somewhere.
Ma'am, actually, network connection was not that stable in
Okay.
that.
Now, nu stands for what? We. And vu stands for you, where it's in plural. You all. Okay. If I talk to all of you, though you are very young to me, younger to me, I must say, but still, because I'm talking to more than one of you, I would use vu because it is used in plural form. Il stands for they, masculine, and else also stand for they but feminine. Why? Because L stands for she and il stands for he. Now, if I conjugate, now there is this avoir verb will work differently with all subject pronouns. That is why we call it, what do we call avoir verb? We call avoir verb irregular verb because it works differently with all subject pronouns. Now, if I want to say I have, avoir will not come in its original form. It will be conjugated. We will have to conjugate it. How do we conjugate it with je? It becomes je a. Now, what is the rule when we have two vowels coming together in such a case? What do? We erase the E and put apostrophe. So it becomes J. J means I have. What does it mean? I have.
I have.
Now, if you want to say you have, if I ask you, you have French book? Tu as. I will say tu as. Now, avoir will become as with tu. Then with il and
And that
l.
will become QA.
Tu as, beta. Tu as. Tu
Yes,
a,
ma'am.
that is être verb. Es, it becomes with être verb, not with avoir verb. Have we done avoir verb?
Yes, ma'am, in this cassette.
Yes, ma'am.
We have done it. Why are you forgetting it? Then, nous, with nous, it becomes avons. Nous avons, vous avez, and elles ont. Okay? Just write down the working of it. So if I want to say we have French books, what will I say? Nous avons des livres français. Okay, nous avons des livres français. Write down all this, then we'll proceed.
Well, we have to write it in copy.
Beta, if you want to write it, you can write it in your copy, but this was mainly for Arshia to explain her the working of avoir verb and these subject pronouns, because she has not done it before. Okay, shall we proceed? Done this much?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Now, Caroline says, j'ai une question. I have a question. Samira says, qu'est-ce que c'est? What is it? What is the question that you have? Caroline, tu as le livre de français? Tu as le livre de français? What is tu as?
Ma'am, you have.
Ma'am, you have.
Have.
You have.
What is
you
le
have.
livre? Le livre?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the
the book.
The book.
The book. You have the book. Now we are talking about a particular subject, français, which becomes a proper noun in this sentence. So see what they have placed before français. They have placed de. Tu as le livre de français. Fine, got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
Samira says, we. What is we?
Oui. Yes.
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 J'ai le livre de français et de maths. J'ai le livre de français et de maths. What does it mean?
I have the French book and
Ma'am,
the
yes,
math.
I have the book of French and math.
Very nice. I have the book of French
and
and maths.
Of
Okay.
and of maths. Ma'am,
Now
they use
Sonia
also given.
says, Pedro, qu'est-ce que c'est? Now Pedro has something with him on the table. Can you see? Pedro is sitting and he's got some papers in his hand.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
Sonia says, Pedro, qu'est-ce que c'est? What is it? Pedro replies, ce sont des fouilles pour le contrôle. Ce sont means these are. What is ce sont?
These are.
These are what? Les
These
fouilles.
are
Les fouilles are fouilles
the files.
means the leaflets. The leaflet, the papers. These are the papers. Pour. Now what is the word pour? Pour means for. Write it down. For the exam. He has
That
question
is
papers in his hand or the answer sheets. So these are the papers for exam.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see, Sonia didn't know that they have an exam today. So how does she respond to it? She says, oh la la. Now she's a little worried. She's a little surprised or shocked. So she says, oh la la, nous avons le contrôle aujourd'hui. We have the exam today. Aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui, the last two words. They mean today. Today is
Okay, ma'am.
called aujourd'hui. Ooh la la. Nous avons. Nous avons, we have. Like we did in the table, Arshia, right now. If I have to say we have, we will say nous avons. We can't say nous a or nous a, nous ave. No, that working will be totally wrong. So we have to learn it the way it is. Nous
Okay, ma'am.
avons means we have the exam today. Aujourd'hui is today. So till here, this is what? This is the translation.
Ma'am, I have done writing all the meanings of the sentence.
Very nice. Very good, beta. Wonderful. This is how you're supposed to do.
Ma'am, same. Ma'am, same.
Okay. So here now dit, re, ou, faux. That is tell true or false. Dit means dit is to tell. Now they are saying tell true or false. Re stands for true and faux stands for false and ou, ou stands for or. Tell true or false. Pedro, Caroline, A, Samira, son, des amis. What does it mean? First of all, tell me what does the sentence mean?
I'm true.
No. मतलब क्या है sentence का? Translate करो.
Ma'am, Pedro, Caroline, and Samira
Our Pedro and
Are friends.
Pedro and Caroline
and Samira are friends.
Yes.
Are
Are
the
they?
friends.
Are the three of them friends?
Yes, ma'am.
We. So the answer is no. By we, Ray. The answer is Ray.
Ray.
We. Ils sont des amis. Oui, ils sont des amis. That means yes, they are friends. Then Samira a le livre d'histoire. Samira has the book of history. Tell me. Samira has the book of history.
Ma'am, false.
So
Ma'am,
it will,
false.
so we say false or we say faux.
Faux.
Ma'am,
Faux.
Then Sonia è Italian. Re ufo.
Ma'am, Ray.
Re.
Ma'am,
Ray.
Then Pedro est français. Pedro est français.
Ma'am,
Faux. Il est
Ma'am, Espanol.
very nice.
Ma'am,
Il est
español.
He is Spanish. Okay. So here we come to the end
Okay,
of
ma'am.
today's class. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
sure? Okay, beta, if you have any problem, Arshia, or if there is any other newcomer in the class, you can ask me anytime, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right, keep
Thank
no
you.
doubts in mind. Make everything clear till here and try to go through the chapters that are before this chapter. Do you have the book of French?
Yes, ma'am, I'm happy.
All right. So just try to study it on your own. If you have any problem in pronunciation, then you can ask me, because in this book, it is given very nicely. Everything is explained so nicely that you can do it yourself also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So bye to all of you children. Let's end this class here.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you for teaching us. Bye,
Okay,
ma'am.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.